Brew fresh, cafe-style coffee in seconds with the Keurig K-Classic single-serve coffee maker. Simple, fast, and convenient, just pop in a K-Cup pod and enjoy consistent flavor every time. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Keurig K-Classic single-serve coffee maker and user manual. Product overview. How to use? To use the Keurig K-Classic single-serve coffee maker, first remove the 48-ounce water reservoir, fill it to the maximum fill line, and replace it on the machine. Turn the brewer on and allow a few minutes to heat up until the heating indicator light turns off. For first-time setup, run a cleansing brew by lifting the handle, selecting the 6-ounce brew size, and brewing hot water without a K-Cup pod. Once complete, insert a compatible K-Cup pod, close the handle securely, and choose your preferred brew size, 6, 8, or 10 ounces. The machine quickly brews a fresh, hot cup of coffee with rich, consistent flavor. For taller travel mugs, remove the drip tray to provide additional space. How to clean? To descale the Keurig K-Classic, empty the water reservoir and add the entire bottle of descaling solution, followed by an equal amount of fresh water. Place a large container on the drip tray and run repeated brew cycles on the largest cup setting without a K-Cup pod until the add water light appears. Let the brewer sit for 30 minutes, then rinse the reservoir, refill it with fresh water, and run several rinse cycles until the water runs clear and all descaling solution is removed. The process takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Smart features? Choose from 6, 8, or 10-ounce brew sizes to control the strength and amount of your coffee. Smaller cups give a stronger brew, while larger sizes provide a milder, more balanced flavor. The 48-ounce removable water reservoir allows you to brew multiple cups before needing a refill. It is easy to remove, fill, and reattach, making daily use quick and convenient. Brews a fresh cup of coffee in under a minute with consistent temperature and flavor. Heats quickly and delivers smooth, hot coffee without long waiting times. Just insert a K-Cup pod, select your cup size, and press brew for instant coffee. No complicated settings or steps, quick, easy, and perfect for everyday use. Easily removes to accommodate taller travel mugs and larger cups. Also makes cleaning simple by catching spills and being quick to detach and rinse. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Keurig K-Classic single-serve coffee maker from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Keurig K-Classic single-serve coffee maker. See you at the next one.